Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Pedro Fame. So I know I'm back with another video. I know it's been a little bit. I've been doing a lot of things to my house. So new things have been put in, set up. Still some more things are gonna come out and I'm gonna do a video on that as well. Like I'm gonna get smart light bulbs so you guys won't see any of the more yellowing. I should be getting those this weekend, probably Sunday. I'll be getting that and I'll do a video on that for you guys, doing an install video, showing you guys how it's set up and everything like that. But today, I'm gonna be showing you guys a couple of things that I picked up recently. I haven't shown them off to you guys. They pretty much came yesterday and today. So this is everything. Yeah, so let's get into it. It's gonna be great and let's go. So as you guys can see, you see a couple of crazy things you didn't see before. So I'll start off with a poster. I'm gonna start off with the boring stuff first, and then we get to the nice boxes. So this is a Street Speed 717 and Inchain Design. It's a collab. They are an absolute awesome automotive channel. I was just checking them out, and you guys can see there the vehicles that are there in their warehouse. Oh, well, not there anymore, but in their warehouse. I can tell you what vehicles are there and which ones aren't. So this is Street Speeds and this is Inchain Designs. This is Shane's. He has a black Z06. He has a C8. This is wrapped. It's actually a different color. I think it's black as well. And then he has a black 2500 2020, I believe, High Country. And then a Lamborghini Urus. That is Street Speeds. This is Street Speed side. Ventador doesn't have this no more. He has the Avenger SVJ instead. And then he still has this one, the ZR1. So a really cool poster. I really wanted. Oh, this is Shane's boat. But this is a really cool poster. I really wanted to show you guys something I got from them. Also, I got one of these. Really cool knife. If you didn't know, I kind of like knives. So this is one of them. It's a tactical one. It's a claw. Really cool handle here, so you can kind of like swing it a little bit. Also, it's really nice and easy to do grips. Oops, I'm sorry. Do grips with. Love this thing. Love the colors as well. I also have another one with it's an American flag, and I also have another pocket knife as well. Probably the last one I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna buy something else, probably, but I just like having them. Oh, actually, we need it because this bad boy. But we're not gonna open that yet. I'm gonna show you guys the shoes that I recently got. I think you guys can tell which one these are. And these are obviously the Jordan, but Jordan 3 Cardinal Reds. I know I haven't done a shoe vlog or anything shoe related for you guys in a while, but you know I love me some shoes. Love these things. So really cool. That's that one. And then the next one, this one's an Air Jordan 12. These aren't the ones that just came out. Those are the playoffs. These are actually the royalties. I actually like these a little bit more, so I got them. I'm absolutely in love with the design. Gold accents, white and black. You can never go wrong with a white and black pair. So really cool there. Obviously, I get them from StockX. Those are my plugs for shoes. All right, so now we can get to what this is, and I know you guys aren't gonna probably know. All right, so never ask me to open anything for anybody, all right? Well, all right, you know what? I'm gonna set it up. I don't know why. Woo. Saved you guys there. Saved you guys. Saved you guys there. I think you guys can kind of tell pretty much what it is. Just picked up this recently. This came in at a cheap price. So I was like, hell yeah, I'm gonna get it. Because I actually got this, I think, $100 off, about maybe a little more off. So a pair of Airpods Max, but we're going. There, we're gonna open this bad boy. So let me go ahead and set you guys down again as I open this bad boy. So if you didn't know, oh shoot. Oh wow, I keep doing it again. But I have the AirPods Pro. I have it on me. So you guys can see that. But these are the Airpods Max. These bad boys are over-ear headphones. Also, they cost usually quite a bit, usually $550. Most places have it at $500, but I got it for a deal on Amazon. And you guys can see here. Hate the case. Everybody's talked about it, and it is just as bad as everybody explained it is. This is actually my first time buying one. I really cannot wait for this to get used. We have USB-C cable here, and the headphones themselves. Awesome looking, definitely a great piece. And you guys can see how they look and fit here. Love the design, love that you can pretty much, it's for all universal heads, so it's really cool. Metal design for the pull down, so really cool, comfy. Doesn't shake off, so I really love that. But this is just an unboxing. There will be a review on this product coming out in a little less than a week, probably within 5 days. I'm gonna do I'm gonna do a review on this, and then you're gonna see a comparison between AirPods Pro and AirPods Max, and which one I prefer, which one I would recommend to majority of people. So you guys will see that coming up. But last but not least, this bad boy is what everybody is probably wondering what I got. So I got this one at a good deal. I got it on Best Buy. Certified excellent by Geek Squad. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, but yeah, it's certified excellent. So no, it's not like a brand new, or it wouldn't have all this inspection tape on it, but it doesn't have to be new. Like I said, you can find so many good deals just because somebody returned something. Just because it's not new. Somebody returned it, not because it's broken or anything, just because they couldn't afford it, didn't want it, whatever. This is clearly an awesome tablet that we're going to explore. A video will be coming out on this as well. There. So, hopefully you guys stay tuned for that one. I'm gonna do an initial impression in terms of review, probably coming out within a couple of days, but this is, and a full review should be coming out very, very soon. I don't know why it's taking so, oh, I didn't cut it right. There you go. This table's holding it. Yep, and it's dead. But so you guys can see here, 12.9-inch iPad Pro in the space gray colorway. Awesome, awesome. I know this thing has to charge. Definitely told me so, but brick-in charger. It is USB-C, thank God. So, you know, this thing could charge the lightning connector, thank God, because I had an iPad. Yeah, I have the regular iPad, and that thing charges with lightning. And that thing, I mean, it's convenient because it's my phone, but trust me, I'd much rather have USB-C and everything. Yep, all the packaging is in here. So you guys, pretty much. So that's all the products that needed to be unveiled. So you guys can see my little tech haul and my others, like the shoes and the poster, and then my handy dandy knife. If you want this knife, I think it is like 20 bucks, if I'm not wrong, on InChainDesigns.com. Check it out, support a good YouTuber in StreetSpeed717. If you want to check out his channel, go ahead. Awesome YouTuber, does great content. Like I said, you saw a couple of his cars there. He has some more, but I'll let you guys find that out. Also really cool, the Airpods Max, to obviously go with the nice iPad, also to go with the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is what I'm recording on. I was thinking if I had another thing that I need. Oh, and also this goes great with Mac Mini that I have as well. So that's gonna be awesome. Also the watch as well. But I'm super excited for this. It's not as heavy as everybody says it is. It's a regular pair. I mean, yeah, it's a little heavier than what a regular pair would be, but it's not that much heavier to where I would be like, damn, this really sucks. So don't get into that. But that's it for the video here today, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.